just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah.
Morning. I can't remember what day it is. All I know is that I'm hungry and I'm about to eat my leftover food from Papado. It's in the morning. Y'all know that I eat whatever I want in the morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. I was about to go sit the trash outside for the valet pickup, and it ain't time. It's the weekend. They don't run on the weekends. So it's sometime in the morning. I think it's about 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's about like 8 o'clock or something like that. And I'm up warming up my Papado meal from last night. Yeah, I had not eaten in 24 hours. Do you hear me? Then I turned around and tried to go to Papado. Oh, it smells so delicious. Yeah, so I tried to go to Papado after not eating for 24 hours. And then like on Fridays, y'all, like on Fridays, it'd be a lot of people there, like a lot of people. So we waited for a while just to get our food. So if you starving, you better get you some fries or something before you go to Papado's, or you better take your snack before you go to Papado's, because I mean, it's if you're going on a busy day. Usually me and Ken's date nights are like on Mondays, so it's really not ever a lot of people because we go in the daytime. I feel like somebody had a dirty hand and put their hand and hit me upside my forehead right there. I don't know what that's about or where that came from. So yeah, I'm warming that up in the microwave currently. I'm about to pour me some juice. Y'all already know I drink everything out of a wine glass because I'm fancy. Ken is up getting ready for work, and I am getting ready to stuff my face and probably take a little nap. And then I am going to look at what I did, y'all. Can y'all see the marks? I tore my damn hand up on a hanger or something. You can see the marks going across my fist, going across my finger. Tore my hands up, man. But yeah, I'm about to finish making my little food, and then I'll probably take a little rest of look at a couple of YouTube videos, and then I'll get up and edit. Y'all hear them screaming outside. It's 9:22, and their asses is outside screaming and playing. I don't know how I feel about these oysters this time. I don't feel like they were super cooked, but I don't know. And I love oysters, but anyway, yeah, I ain't talking about nothing. I just woke up trying to say good morning to y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing, that I'm eating my leftover food, and yeah, that's it. Look at this one. Poking her head out because she smells food. Okay, let me get my food together so I can eat. And we don't pop this thing like this, and we don't pick it all up at the same time. Oh, and I still got some red velvet cupcakes from last night that I didn't eat because I fell asleep. I'm about to eat it right now too. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon, guys. So Ken is trying to put some air in the tank. I mean, Ken trying to put some air in the tank. Lord have mercy, where am I at? Ken is trying to put some air in the tires. It's going down. Okay, so we had to come to another gas station because one of the tires didn't want to take the air. Let's hope that this tire takes the air. We're gonna go to this taco place. Ken got some bad news, some unwanted news about her aunt passing away. Her aunt is kind of like her second mom, so she's taking it really, really hard, which is understandable. So I'm just trying my best to be there. So yeah, I've pretty much just kind of been focusing on her and focusing on making sure that she stays in as peaceful of a mindset that she could possibly be in currently. This is not a Make America Great Again hat. This is a Tommy Hilfiger hat. I don't be knowing if I'm losing weight or gaining weight no more. It be feeling like I'm losing weight until I see myself on the camera. Then I look like, ooh, girl. But y'all just keep Ken in y'all prayers. Keep her family, the Martin family, in y'all prayers. Her cousins, which is her aunt's children, keep them all in prayers because they're all a very close-knit family. They're a big family, but they all are close-knit at the same time. So all of them are taking it equally as hard. So we're going to go back home to Nashville. We were going to go back today because she found out last night, and as soon as she walked through the door, I jumped up and just tried my best to hold her, and first thing she said is she want to go home. So we're going home. So yeah, I'm about to feed her so she can actually get some sleep. We were supposed to go thrifting today. My son really wants to check out some Houston thrift stores, and I was going to do a video on that, but you know, we got this unexpected news and we have to just roll with the punches, and we got to roll with life. So you know, I'm still claiming the victory over 2021. God is not done with us yet. This is a whole new day. It's a whole new year. I've prayed for a peaceful transition with her aunt, and healing and comfort for her family. So my job is just to try my best to make sure that she is as mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually stable as possible, and to get her back home to her family. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, the boys, we're not gonna go thrifting today, even though she still asked if I wanted to take them. I don't want to leave her because she hasn't really slept really, and then I have to force her to eat, have to force her to get up. I made her get up and stretch, get up and breathe. I made her sit up, drink water. Like, you know how it is. You know how it is when you've lost somebody that's dear to you, or like if you done been hurt before. You know, you don't want to do nothing. You don't want to eat. You don't want to drink. You don't want to go to sleep. You can't any of that. So it's a trauma on the body. It's a grief on the body. It's a stress on the body. So I just encourage each and every one of y'all to love upon y'all family. As you can see, I've said in the past couple of posts that there's been a few losses within last month and this month. It's a reminder every day that we have to live in the moment. We have to live right now in this moment. And I done already talked to y'all about planning ahead and planning for the future. That's all good and grand and dandy, but you need to live for right now while you're in this moment, while God is granting you this minute right now. You need to have as much control to live and be aware in the moment and appreciate right this second. So stop right now, whatever you're doing, stop right now and take a minute to yourself and thank God, the universe, Buddha, whoever it is that you pray, Allah, whoever it is that you pray to, that you believe in. I do this daily whenever I see 328, but you need to do it. I'm gonna give you a minute.
Control, bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. That me blow.
The 2 fees, and then I have the lemonade. No wings on this. It's gonna be $33.55.
Y'all, look at this potato that I just got from the Mr. B's.
Come on, babe.
So we're finally at home and we're about to sit and eat. This is what Ken got. Barbecue sandwich. Open up the sandwich a little bit. Barbecue sandwich with pickles. About to watch a movie. And then this is what I got. It got a rib on the side, and it's a loaded potato with like beef and chicken and sausage. It's called The Works. Ken, the only person I know will watch the same movie 10 times in a row. What you want out of it? This tea is called, what was it? Slap Your Mama. Well, we're done eating, so hopefully Ken go get some rest.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss it.
At the mall, trying to get something to wear. I'm tired and my head is kind of hurting, but damn, my battery's gonna die. I don't got my little stick, guys, but we're back in the mall and finna get something to wear to go back home. It's kind of cold out here. Thank you. So I might not be able to do a lot of vlogging because I don't have my tripod and my battery is about to die. So anyway, we go. Oh, hell no. I'm not going over there. They can keep that.
That's the same.
Hell no.
You won't.
Oh, hell no.
Yes, it is.